Hi, we're back. Stay tuned for more. Beverly, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Children's Community Health Club channel. And today I wanted to show you guys what the kids been doing so far in the garden. It's the 4th week of the camp, and this week they were able to not just help to till the soil after the rotators and the tractors came, etc. But we also planted some stuff as well too. So let's take a look at what they planted as well. We presently have about 33 beds. We have 2 children per bed to make it easier for them to manage. We also have the older children, they have 3 and have bigger beds. So when I see children who are being more responsible, I give them a bit more territory to cover. That's exactly how God does with us. We have some lettuce right here. They planted out the lettuce yesterday. Lettuce. We have tomatoes here. Some tomatoes. More tomatoes. We have some cabbage. This bed. And over here we have some watermelons over this side in this bed here. We also have some beans planted as well. So of course you can't see the beans because the seeds were planted directly inside the garden. We have 3 long rows rather for corn. All the guys will be taking care of the corn section in 3 long rows. And we also planted some eggplants. When I started this project, I had a big budget and I had expectations. I'm hoping we'll have much sponsors. But I want to tell you the truth. We didn't have very many sponsors. We had people at the last minute saying, I'm sorry, we can't give, etc., because of the tough economic times. I want to let you know, your prayers and the little that you gave, those who gave, has made a big difference right now with this entire project. And like I said before, this is the beginning of sustainable development in communities. And hopefully we're praying that this pilot project will extend to having, we want to have at least 7 projects in different low-income communities in Barbados next year, 2015. We also really want to have, by the year 2015, we also want to have pilot projects like this across the Caribbean, Trinidad, Tobago, Dominica, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Guyana, St. Lucia, Montserrat, St. Kitts Nevis. We want to be able to have an impact upon communities, low-income, poor communities across the Caribbean to start a community project for children, agriculture and craft, summer camps, that the children can know how to provide, how to use their hands to be able to eat. And also to let them know that there's nothing wrong with working in agriculture. If you eat it, you can grow it. That's one thing I want them to know. If you eat it, you can grow it, and chances are it's a lot healthier and tastier because you know exactly what you're putting on it. What's really important, and we don't want this just to be a place of just garden beds, etc. We want to make it a sanctuary for the children. We're going to have it fenced around. We're also going to be building benches on the inside. We're going to have a cascade over the benches of vines of this runner beans, as well as the spinach running over. We're going to have tomatoes also hanging from pots flowing down. We want to make it a sanctuary. When the children come to the garden, they're not thinking, oh, hard work. They're thinking, this is the place where I want my hanging out and, having a good time together with my friends and my family as well. I want to let you know we have 2 parents thus far. We have a father, one of the campers, came out and he was in the garden. So, I really feel encouraged that parents are also helping out to make this a success, because God is moving on the hearts of those who need to see that this thing really can make a difference for the community, for the children's community, and also for their health. So please send your monies. We're going to ask you to pull your pockets and donate for this camp to be a success, and also for the club to be a success. So I want to thank you all for your prayers. I want to thank you there for your help. Just the words of encouragement alone has really helped me, has been the vehicle for me to get this far, for us to get this far, to do the impossible that only I know that God was able to do. I didn't do this on my own. This is not my project. This is a community project. I'm only an instrument being used for God. you can be an instrument used for God to do great things in your community wherever you are, because the children matter. And I always say, my desire is to touch one child. That one child will make a difference in that home. That home will make a difference in the community. That community can make a difference in your island, in your country, and that can make a difference across the entire world. Thank you once again. Join me next time as I give you a few updates so that you see what else is coming in this first Children's Community Arboriculture and Craft Summer Camp. Bye now. Hey, thanks for watching. Coming up, blooper. The entire thing around. We also want to make it not just a place for people to come arboriculture. We want to also have it like a sanctuary. We're gonna have cut now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Coming up soon, some more updates on what's happening at the Children's Community Health Club Arboriculture and Craft Summer Camp. Bye now.